Hello everybody, should we have a little recap on where we are? So it's beginning of week 2, end of week 1. We bought the camper van about a week ago, and so far we have found we've got massive damp problems. You can see the roof there bending down, and we've had water all over the place. So we put a tarp on the roof
Daddy.
to try and keep the damp out.
Daddy.
Oakley is over there. What are you doing, Oaks?
I'm just taking some things off of the wall.
What kind of things are they?
Curtain hook.
And what kind of tool are you using?
A drill and a screwdriver, Daddy.
Yeah.
How does this work? You
Hang
put it
on. Underneath this cabinet is some complicated looking stuff. This is the water heater, and then there's some weird random plug that we don't know what that does.
It connects up to this red one, but that red one connects up to that red one.
Both of these red ones are connected together. The controls here for
Confusing.
the cabin heater, the water heater, and the fridge.
The fridge.
There's the fridge.
The fridge isn't even on.
Right, so we're going to try and get this cabinet out next.
And we have done it.
We've managed to get the bench out. The floor's pretty rotten. You can still see the storage heater and all the electrics are down there. It's not nice, is it?
Pretty difficult to get out.
It was pretty difficult to get out, but it's out. Well done, Oakley.
Well done, Daddy.
One of the biggest issues we've got in the camper van is damp. So we've been and bought this Schinco dehumidifier. I think it was 85 quid on Amazon, maybe 85 quid. Let's unbox it, have a look at it, and I'll plug it in tonight and see how it works. You can see the camper van is just spreading out all over the dojang. Okay, let's take a look at this thing. Water drain pipe. For external drain, I guess. Oh my god, it's actually pretty heavy. Let's have a look. So I'm always one for reading instructions. That's obviously never going to happen. Right, let's just clean up this thing. Oh, this is annoying. Okay, it looks okay, decent quality, feels weighty. Let's get that off there. That's there. Right, what happens then? How does it work? What do you think that's for? Okay, there's a drain tank, I guess. Switch. Which lights the lights back? Oh right, no. Oh, that's like the external drain must be there. That must be what this is for. I'll just try and get that there. Come on, baby. Well, it's not long enough to drain off out of the vehicle, but this at the back here. Don't know what that's for. Don't know why we need that. Okay, let's plug it in and see what happens. Okay, we have the power on button lit up. Shiny new extension lead all fired up. As you can see, I've completely unwound the extension lead. I'm really paranoid about extension leads turning into coils when they've got power running through them. Anyway, so let's give this thing a try. Timer, clean, high, low. Let's just go on. Alright, it's doing something. God knows what. Okay. See what happens. I'm not going to be able to measure what it's done because I've just got that on permanent drain to outside. But I should see in the morning underneath the car, providing it doesn't rain tonight, a puddle of water, hopefully. Alright, let's see how it goes. That's the end of the videos for this weekend. It's Wednesday today, so it's been 4 days of running the dehumidifier in the van. Let's have a look inside and see how it's looking. The weather's been pretty shocking here in the 10th wettest county in the UK. Let's have a look. We've had a lot of rain. Keep the door closed for a second. Right, let's have a look. The floor still looks pretty wet. But I'd say this roof, let's just dry it out. That's dry. I mean, it's still rotten, but it's dry. And that's amazing. 88% humidity in here. Okay, but the floor's still pretty wet. The ceiling's dry. Hey, good news. So, review of the Schinco super cheapy dehumidifier. It's working pretty well.